Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zoe, and today I'm feeling weird. I think I've been having a bit of a low and heavy few weeks, and instead of trying to avoid showing that part of myself, I'm gonna just film. I think part of my sadness comes from this recent breakup that I had. I am just still feeling really heartbroken by it. I'm thinking about it constantly, and I feel like that is significantly contributing to this heaviness that I'm feeling. I just don't really know what I need. Nothing really feels right, and I don't know what to do with myself, and I'm just feeling kind of unmotivated but also bored. And so I convinced myself to get out of my house. So I'm just gonna take myself on a walk. I'm gonna see if I can find any flowers, because that would be nice. I'm just gonna get out of my car and go on a walk and clear my head. Honestly, it's really cold though, a little bit colder than I would like it to be. So I don't know, and it's really windy. I'm cold and it's windy, and kind of want to just get in my car, but I'm trying to appreciate being outside in the sun and the birds and the wind and the little tiny buttercup flowers and the clover coming up. But yeah, I should have worn warmer pants. I think the trees are blocking the wind a little bit in this area. It feels good. The wind is not blowing so hard. It's a little quieter. I can hear the birds and I can feel the sun. that was a good little walk around. I feel better in some ways, a little bit more inspired maybe. But at the same time, I don't know, feeling tired and cold, so a little bit uncomfortable and a little bit cranky. Gonna try to figure out what to do next for myself. I think I should eat a little bit more, drink some water, and maybe just take myself back home. Or maybe go to another park. Not sure. Look what I just found. Oh my God.